Now you'll try creating some lines and line segments known as open paths with the line segment tool to create some bones. Press and hold down on the star tool over here in the tools panel and select the line segment tool. On the right side, come somewhere over here in a blank area, press and drag, and notice that as you drag you're going to see a distance. That's basically the length of the line. Now drag until you see about 1.5 and release. Now after you draw a line, there's a lot we can do to it without having to switch tools. So move the pointer just off the right end. If you want to rotate it, you should see rotate arrows. Press and drag. And when you get to about 0, actually 0, release the mouse. This will make it perfectly horizontal. Change the stroke weight. We're going to make this kind of big. So change the stroke weight over here to 15. Now, you're not going to be able to choose it from the menu. So we're just going to make it so we do it this way. So you can click the arrows if you want. And then we're going to change the stroke color. So click the stroke color and change it to a gray with the swatches selected of about, I think I said in the book 10. This one right here. There we go. It's going to match that circle. Now we're going to make it so that this is an actual path and not a stroke. That way we can do other things to it without affecting the stroke. So come up to Object, Path, and choose Outline Stroke. It's now, when you do this, going to become a rectangle essentially. So it's a filled shape. Select the Selection tool, and we're going to make the bone now. So drag this circle in the upper left corner over there, the artboard, over to the shape, and I'll just drag it right there. We're going to copy and paste this 3 times. So you can go to Edit, Copy, and if you know how to do this quickly, go ahead. Copy, paste. I'll just do paste, edit, paste, edit, paste. Paste 3 copies. And then we're just going to drag them out here to make the bone. So I'll put one there. And you notice that as I drag them, I'm trying to go from the center here just to make it easier to snap and put them all out there. There we go. Now drag across all of this bone artwork, and we're going to group it all together so it stays together. So click the group button down here. And then we're going to rotate it. So move the pointer right off the corner, and you should see the rotate arrows, and drag counterclockwise. As you drag, press the Shift key if you want. You can also just make sure it's about 45 degrees. Release the mouse button, and if you did press the Shift key, release the Shift key. Now to reflect it, choose Object Transform, and we're going to reflect it. That basically means we're going to make a copy in the other direction. In the Reflect dialog box, select Vertical and click Copy. Drag across both, and we're going to group it together. So click Group in the Properties panel, and you just made some bones.